Everybody is panicking in this country concerning the introduction of the new cybersecurity levy by the Federal Republic of Nigeria. But there are 16 exemptions to this levy, and if you can listen to this video till the end, then you will learn ways not to partake in this levy. The Federal Republic of Nigeria will not have any reason to charge you 1 naira concerning this cybersecurity levy, because you can actually exempt yourself if you can listen to this video till the end. So there is no reason to panic. Now let's get into the exemptions which are attached to this levy. For the sake of time, I will only explain those concerns me and you, and let's get into it. Number 1, low disbursement and repayment. This means that when you are borrowing from the bank, or you are paying the loan you borrowed from bank, this levy is not for you, so you are exempted. Number 2, salary payment. If you have a salary account with a bank, when your salary is coming, I mean when government is paying you salary, there won't be any levy on your salary. Number 3, intra-account transfer within the same bank or between different banks for the same customer. This means that if you have 2 accounts, different banks, and you are transferring your money from, let's say, Zenith Bank to Fidelity Bank, then federal government will not charge you any cyber security levy, because this is an intra-bank transfer. 4, bank transfer between customers of same bank. This means that the person whom you are transferring to, if the person has the same account as you, which means if the person is banking in the same bank that you are transferring the money from, then the government will not charge you. Other financial institution instruction to their correspondent banks. This has nothing to do with you. 6, interbank placement. This has nothing to do with you. 7, bank transfers to CBN and vice versa. This has nothing to do with you. This is commercial bank transferring money to CBN and CBN transferring money back to commercial bank. There is no charges to it. So I won't explain this type again because it has nothing to do with me and you. Number 8, interbank transfer within a bank. It has nothing to do with you. Check clearing and settlement. Check clearing and settlement, which means if you want clear a check in the bank, there is no levy attached to it. Letter of credit, there is no levy attached to this. 11, bank recapitalization related funding, only bulk movement from collection accounts. This has nothing to do with you. 12, savings and deposits, including transactions involving long-term investments such as treasury bills, bonds, and commercial papers. 13, government social welfare program transactions and pension payments. So if government wants to transfer money for social welfare, this has nothing to do with me and you. But what I'm concentrating on here is pension payment. So if you are being paid pension, that is, if you are receiving pension, there is no levy attached to it. 14, non-profit and charitable organization transfers. So if money is being transferred to non-profit organization account, there is no levy to this money transfer. 15, educational institutions transaction, including tuition payments and other transactions involving schools, university, or other educational institutions. So if you are a student and you want to pay your school fees, you don't have to pay any charge. If you have to transfer your school fees, you don't have to pay any charge. So if you are a student, stop panicking, because you are not going to pay a dime to federal government while paying your school fees. Number 16, last but not the least, transactions involving banks' internal accounts such as suspense accounts, clearing account, profit and loss account, interbank account, reserve account, nostra and vostra account, and escrow account. So what are we saying here? What we are actually saying here is that for you don't need to panic. The only thing you have to do is, if you know this particular account that you use for purchase, always go to the bank and create your own account. So if you want to transfer to a company, or you want to transfer to that particular person that gives you goods, you can now transfer to your account which has the same bank as that of the person you are transferring to. Then you can make your transfer with peace of mind. So there's no need to panic. The only thing you have to do is to get it right. I hope this video will help you to relax your mind a bit about this cyber security levy that is being introduced by the federal government of Nigeria. So thank you for watching me. Do well to share this video to all your WhatsApp, to all your Facebook friends, so that every of your friends will get this information and have to relax. Thank you.